In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for content creation. Whether you're a content creator, a team leader, or simply someone looking to organize your ideas more effectively, Notion is a versatile tool that can help you in your content creation journey. So, let's dive in and explore how you can set up and customize your content calendar using Notion. The first thing you'll want to do is open up your Notion account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily sign up on their website. Once you're on Notion, open a new tab in your browser and head over to Google. We'll be looking for Easlo templates. Easlo is a popular provider of Notion templates, and these can give your content creation process a great starting boost. Once you have Google open, type in Easlo templates and hit search. You'll want to click on the link that takes you to Notion templates. On the Easlo templates page, you'll find both paid and free options. Since we love free resources, click on the section labeled Free to explore the templates without cost. Now, using the search bar, type Content Calendar. Among the results, find and click on the Content Calendar template. You'll see an option to Get the Template. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to an Add button. Click that to incorporate the template into your Notion workspace. With the template added, you'll have the opportunity to see it by clicking on See Template. This is an essential step because from here, you can fully customize it to meet your individual needs. Start by adding a cover to your calendar page. You can do this by clicking Add Cover and then Change Cover. Unsplash offers a library of images you can use. Type in keywords that best describe the kind of image you're looking for and select your favorite. Once you have the cover in place, you might want to personalize the icons too. Click on the icon beside your page title to change it. By selecting Emoji, you can search for and choose an emoji that best represents your content theme. Remember, your Notion setup should feel like an extension of your style and workflow. We've set the visual tone, so now it's time to focus on functionality. Start by clicking on Content Calendar in your workspace. Change headings to fit your vibe or personal style by editing the text fields. Under This Week, you can start planning by adding all the events you have coming up and even creating new pages for your events. In these pages, give unique names and attach covers. Again, tapping into Unsplash if necessary. For your content creation process, defining communication channels is essential. Click on New Channel to begin setting this up. Type in the new channel name and, if needed, connect a link. Utilize Notion's board features for ultimate customization and organization by moving the necessary elements around to suit your workflow. Now, having followed these steps, you'll have a fully customized content calendar in Notion. You can control the design, manage upcoming events, and ensure that every element reflects how you like to operate, making Notion a valuable ally in your content creation endeavors. Make sure to scroll through your setup to ensure everything is tailored to your liking, enhancing both creativity and productivity in your content creation activities.